It's X-Game time. It's time to do some extended testing of... Hey, welcome back to a new video of the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And yes, it's time again for a new video of the X-Game. And in this video we are going to do some extended testing of the Sega MegaDrive. Then is the question, how are the games running? And we're going to test out some couple of games because there can be some difference between the games. So, I'm ready for it. You are? I am. Let's go. The first game is Sonic the Hedgehog. The music is not perfect, it's not that clear like it should be. It's fast, the frame rate is decent. It got a small screen tearing here and there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, because I'm moving really fast. So, it seems to be that this game is running just fine. Almost 100 rings. Alright, let's play Sonic 2. Ooh, it got really big drops of the soundtracks. Alright, extra speed. Let's see how the system handles this. Hoppa. Oh, he's keeping up, he's keeping up. Woo! Alright people, let's play Sonic the Hedgehog 3. Oh yeah! Da 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 dum dum. Da 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 dum 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 dum. Alright. Woo! Got still a little sound glitch that not makes the sound very clear, but do you know what the best test for Sonic 3 is? Go enter this ring and let's check out the bonus stage. How does this work? And what you can see is really freaking glitching out. Because this is a 3D rendering level and that is what makes this emulator of program that's on it going nuts. So yeah people, it's still playable, but a lot of let's say clone systems got problems with this game. So far I know even the Ed games. All right. Oh yeah. And it seems to be that the game is running fine. Even the soundtracks are good. Oh, no. Oh. That was lame-o. Yeah, sounded great. So yeah people, for the final conclusion about the X-Game and the Sega part. Is it perfect? No, not at all. The soundtracks itself are just good to listen to, because they're not that clear like the original one, but they're not bad at all. So, in overall the games are running pretty damn smooth, no extreme frame drops or that makes the game unplayable. So, for a multi-playable system, multi-platform system, it is not bad at all. Not at all, no. I can still enjoy these games on my original Sega Mega Drive or just on this Ed game. Let's see how the power move works, or the ultra move, or how you freaking want to call this. Support move. No lagging or weird stuff, just like it should be, the original game. So yeah, people, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit my little bell, because you get notified if I'm launching a new video. If you have any questions about the system, you can always leave it in the comments. And again, hey, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. I'm going to do a little bit of Street Rage, because I really enjoy this game. Man, it's really, I'm addicted to this game. I love it, come on. Oh, you think you can beat me, huh? Come on. Ooh, you hit me in the face. Go away.